This video tutorial will go through the RETScreen training resources as they are available from the RETScreen website. We'll also talk about the people behind RETScreen, and we will add some comments to some of those slides as things have changed. RETScreen has not adapted those updated the presentation for quite a few years, and there's a few things that have changed. Also, we'll make some comments as we have adapted some of the material for the Leonardo Energy students.
Introduction to Clean Energy Project Analysis. This is the introductory module of the RETScreen Clean Energy Project Analysis course. This course is a case study-based course for professionals and university students who want to learn how to better analyze the technical and financial viability of potential clean energy projects. The RETScreen International Clean Energy Decision Support Center. This course is provided by the RETScreen International Clean Energy Decision Support Center, which develops enabling tools that make it easier for planners, decision makers, and industry to consider energy efficient and renewable energy technologies at the critically important initial planning stage. These tools, which significantly reduce the cost of assessing possible projects, are distributed around the world free of charge via the Internet and CD-ROM.
Here's a few comments about this slide. So by tools, we have to understand the RETScreen models. We have the new RETScreen Plus tools for energy efficiency, also RETScreen used to send, to disseminate and mail out binders and CD-ROMs. I believe that they've stopped doing that, and that all the information now is only available through the internet. Also, in terms of the technical support, they used to have a forum where they provided technical support. They discontinued that, and also they used to have a network of trainers that used to be able to advertise on the calendar, and they've restricted that now, and only the team of RETScreen, basically the employees of Natural Resources Canada, can advertise for the training, and they used to provide some free training, and now you have to pay in the neighborhood of about $1,600 for a few days, 2 or 3 day course. So those things have changed a lot.
Upon completion of the course. Upon completion of the course, the student will be more aware of viable clean energy applications and be able to perform high-quality and low-cost preliminary feasibility studies using the RETScreen software. Course outline. The course is available in different modules, accessible individually from the Internet. These modules are listed on this slide. RETScreen International Clean Energy Decision Support Center. The RETScreen International Clean Energy Decision Support Center website is the primary distribution and communication point for RETScreen International, where people can access all products and services available, including the complete suite of decision-making and capacity-building tools. Register via an online calendar for upcoming courses, workshops, and seminars delivered by an international network of RETScreen trainers, as well as search or add information to an e-marketplace and forum, which help to promote the implementation of clean energy projects by connecting industry, customers, and project stakeholders together via the Internet. To access these course materials free of charge, as well as software, case studies, a marketplace, and user forums, visit the RETScreen International Clean Energy Decision Support Center at www.retscreen.net. Explore the site, then click on the Download Free menu item in the horizontal bar of options. Course materials. The Download Free menu item will access this table of options. Clicking on the buttons downloads the RETScreen software and data, presentation slides, e-textbook engineering manual, online software user manual, and case studies for each technology, all free of charge. Software and data. The RETScreen International Clean Energy Project Analysis software, accessed through the website, models the operation and analyzes the financial viability of many different applications of clean energy technologies. The software includes product and weather databases and is easy to use thanks to its online user manual. The software is available in multiple languages. Training material. The site also makes available various training materials, including this course, in the form of presentations, a voiceover, the text of the voiceover, a multitude of case studies, and a textbook explaining each clean energy technology and RETScreen's approach to it. E-textbook and case studies. The e-textbook, also available for free, is a professional and university-level electronic textbook that provides background on the technologies and a detailed description of the RETScreen algorithms. It is accompanied by a large number of international case studies of real projects. Marketplace and calendar. The website also hosts a marketplace linking industry and customers online through a database searchable by subject, technology, and region. There are also public and private forums for the exchange of information and a calendar listing upcoming training events taking place around the world. It is possible to register for these training sessions through the website itself. Introductory module outline. This introductory module proceeds through various presentations. In addition to this overview, now completed, there are the presentations listed on this slide.